USA, European honeymoon trap for fellows. USA, European honeymoon trap for fellows. Honeymoon trap. Just Fulbright fellowship is a very high profile fellow, and in Delhi University, Dilip Chakravarti sir had come from Burdwan or from Canada. They were on the leader rank as archaeologist profession, and he was in trouble in the university because archaeology had no good rapport with the then historians of Arya Sharma, G.N. Jha, K.M. Simali, all were great professors and they were dominant professors of university. And this fellow, this professor was working on archaeological sources, but he was lucky. Lucky got a Fulbright fellow of that time. For those days, Fulbright fellow, Ford fellow, and Commonwealth fellows. Commonwealth fellow is better than this fellow. And if fellows, they are fellows, and they have a chance to go to study in land. So now Fulbright, and just now Fulbright fellowship has made that those who are married, they will have first chance to get the fellowship, Fulbright fellowship. But these are students, beware of fellow trap and pitfalls as I have one friend, now he's no more, I pay my tribute to him, Dr. Man Singh, a fellow.
लेट डॉक्टर मान सिंह मर गया डॉक्टर मान सिंह
He was a fellow, but that the job. So, first get job, then go for anywhere of fellowship. Fellowship is a trap, and they use your brain. Europeans and Americans, but forwarding you fellowship, and they will die you. They will put you in a dead trap. That is a trap. So be aware of. These are more honeymoon trap, and you will be of nowhere. So this Fulbright, just I was reading that they are putting forward because they have a low populations. India have overpopulation population. So they want to that this population will come and they are particularly from the people from Bihar, Haryana, UP, and they will come. But in India, as it happened, it is tragedy. Really, I'm shocked as it had done in Kashmir. Mostly Indians have no honeymoon traditions. First, if you have some land, then you get married. There is no chance of getting married. Job is not important for in these states. Haryana, Punjab. If you have a land, even one a small piece of land, you have a chance to get married in your own family, in your own traditions. But you have no job, you will have no. And we have no traditions of honeymoon. We have, as Amitabh Bachchan had said in one film, Kabhi Kabhi. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है सुहाग रात है घूंघट उठा रहा है. So this is Indian tradition. Indian tradition no to go out for wasting of money as it's a rich man's game. Like Ambani had made wedding ceremonies, Jamnagar and then European trips, all are waste of money. So we Indians, but to Haldar of India, they don't fall in trap of honeymoon. I am just I am a posted son as Indian tradition. The family of brother always want that if my brother has no son, then he will eye on the brother's whole property. And so if brother has only one daughter, then also eye his property on the property of that. So Indians are very greedy. Brothers are very greedy. on brothers' properties. I have a foster son, big land, and my foster wanted to marry me at very young age because I was the only hater of all the properties. Even today I am the. But my father was dead against me. He performed marriage of his brother, and he took his brothers for honeymoon to Darjeeling. And we all had gone to Darjeeling, and really that memory of Darjeeling honeymoon of my brother, fortunately that he got a son after marriage, and also he was eyeing on my property, and I am still legal heir, and I am on the street. So this honeymoon trap of Indians are very, as it happened in, so honeymoon is not our traditions, it is of the Europeans and Americans, rich man's trapping the Indians.